How do I know if my asphalt shingles need rejuvenation? Hi, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I want to answer a very common question. How do I know if my asphalt shingles need rejuvenation? The short answer is this. Rejuvenation works best when the roof shows early signs of aging, not severe damage. Typically, shingles that are about 5 to 15 years old may start to lose some flexibility, fade in color, or show granule loss. You might also see minor issues like algae or moss, but no major structural problems. Weather plays a big role here, but in many regions, shingles between 5 and 10 years old are often the best candidates. This is the window where rejuvenation products can help slow aging and extend roof life before shingles become brittle. However, it's important to know when rejuvenation is not the right option. If your shingles are curled up at the edge, have significant granule loss, deep cracks, or active leaks, the roof may already be past the point where rejuvenation makes sense. So, the key takeaway is this. Rejuvenation is about timing. Applied early, it can save money and extend roof life. Applied too late, it won't deliver value. I hope it helps to make right decision. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.